Hey guys, welcome to a new episode of Resurrection Motorsports. I'm so glad you guys are here today. I'm excited about today's episode. In today's episode, we dive into some charge piping, get that knocked out. We do some more of the Holley Terminator, get that done to the point where we think we can get a first start. And we will watch Gavin run some relays in his socks. So, huge shout out to Gavin. Thanks for all your help. I really appreciate it, bud, on this project and the projects we're talking about doing in the future. Super excited about where this channel is headed. So I hope you're as excited as I am. And if you are, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so that you get notifications for when we have new videos out. And I can't wait to see you on the other side of this one. Thanks. Hey, what's up guys? So we're at Gavin's shop working on the Mustang today. We're here because it's 195 degrees in Florida. At least that's what it feels like. And Gavin has an air conditioning shop, so we're working in the air conditioning, which is awesome. So anyway, I wanted to show you a little pro tip, I guess, that we're putting piping on, charge piping, and we had to make a custom cut. So let me show you this piece of piping. You can see, try to show you, the bead roll on this is, it's okay. It would work, I guess. But since we had to make a custom pipe and cut it to custom shape, there was no bead roll on it because it was just cut. So Gavin, if you can see this, let the camera focus on it, put a bead roll on both sides of this with these awesome cutters, or crimpers, I guess. They're wire crimpers. And now we have this amazing custom bead roll. So anyway, short little pro tip: if you need a pipe, you need a bead roll, get out your crimpers, crimp it down all the way around, you're good to go. Well, there you have it, guys. It didn't start. We think we know why, and we're going to take care of that in the next episode. We're almost positive we know why at this point, and you'll see why in the next episode. So remember, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell so you know when that episode comes out, and we'll see you then. And as always, I love you, God loves you.